okay?
Oh, my elbow.
1,000 likes and we'll roll him off of that.
Don't do it. Okay? Don't do it.
All right, guys, today we're gonna be pulling him off the porch in this cart as we promised a while ago. We just didn't know how to do it. So if you thought we forgot about it, we didn't. And we're making the video now. So let's get straight into it. Oh, well, let's get some speed.
Oh my. Oh, wow. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm a nervous wreck.
You're a nervous wreck?
Yes.
All right.
Hold on, let's get some jumper.
All right, we need a pillow.
Go get one.
All right, let's test it out. What are we doing?
We're gonna pull him off of this. So first, oh no, it might be broken. Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's the thing came off.
All right, I need to practice my rope pulling.
The pipe's off. Pop the pipe back in. It's got to snap.
Oh, this side pipe? Oh, good job, Jude. All right, I'm gonna start here. We'll take it, I'm gonna go. So in theory, he shouldn't die. But, I don't know, we haven't done it with weight yet, so.
Let's do it a couple more times.
Yeah.
Get it a couple more times.
Let's not do it.
You know what we don't need to happen?
What's that?
For me to die, right?
No, we don't care about that. See, if I go too slow, then this is gonna happen. And dump him out.
He'll hit his face.
Yeah.
And I will break.
Which might not be a bad thing for views.
Hey, do we have a dinosaur we could test out?
You ready?
We got a dinosaur. Dude.
All right, so before we bring Jude out, we're gonna bring Terry out. Y'all don't know Terry, but he's about to come out here, all right?
Daddy.
Oh, man. Bro, Terry is a fire, bro.
Is that the test? That's the test dummy?
That's the test dummy.
We dropped a test dummy, guys. This is dropping a test dummy. Buckle Terry in, bruh.
Put him in there.
Y'all buckle Terry in.
He might have to go backwards.
Let's not let him see his doom.
You think that's what's gonna happen?
Yeah, you don't have to go backwards.
All right, let's see.
Say goodbye, Terry. Ready?
All right, pull Terry.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
I think that's doable.
Yeah.
You think that's doable? Jude, do you think that's doable?
Look at his face.
He hit his face?
Yes.
Put a helmet on.
Go bring him back.
Put your helmet on, bro. Oh, put the helmet on Terry.
One size fits all. Even dinosaurs.
All right, it's on.
You got that big dog? Yeah.
It'd be good if Terry could fit this way, though. Like Terry, look at Terry this way.
You can't, he has the tail.
I think it's naked, bro.
What if you sat on top of Terry when you went? Can we use Terry as a,
No, we don't want to break Terry. We've had Terry for years.
okay.
Wait.
Here we go, Terry.
Come on, Terry.
Voila! Voila! Oh, we get.
He's good. If you pull Jude that fast. Of course, Jude's got a little bit more weight to him.
Nah, I can Terry. Way ahead of it.
Put this on.
All right, put the helmet on. Let's go.
Bro, see how
All right,
straight-
Terry's gonna watch.
It's go time.
Terry's gonna watch.
Terry riding on one wheel. All right. Are y'all ready?
No. Can we go get a pillow?
Go get one.
Go get a pillow. Go.
Bring
Not
Terry
one of
in.
Mama's fancy ones.
Think that's good?
Get up in there,
It's your
boy.
butt, not ours.
Come on, get in there.
You think we can make this happen?
Hopefully.
Wait, are you in good? Hold on, hold on.
Hey, send a little
Wait,
prayer right
seriously.
quick.
Oh, Make me a bird so I can fly far, far away. Far, far.
I'll send it.
No,
You ready?
Back, farther back.
No.
Get some speed. All right.
Yeah.
I bet.
You better hold on tight, bro.
You ready? Coming down. Get it from back there so you can see me running. You ready?
Yeah.
Coming down.
No.
3, go!
Oh my. Are you okay? Is he okay? Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good. Like that's.
I hit my face.
Well, that's why you have the helmet on, silly. He's lucky he has the helmet on. That kid would have died.
Bruh, you had your helmet on. That's good, huh? All right.
Somebody res me. Somebody res me.
Oh shoot! I got you.
Oh, I need a medical. Oh.
Hey, come double rest.
Triple res. Triple res. Triple res.
All right, there we go.
I need a medical. Y'all best be subscribing. Can I get one more pillow?
Bro, you just did it. You're good.
Hey guys, we hit 1,000 likes, so here we go, pulling them off.
Oh, he made it. You okay?
Oh, my elbow.
You good? Get up and let's go. Give us a muscle or something like, woo.
All right, guys, so we just pulled my brother off. And now, if we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna pull me off the porch. So, let's hope we don't get to 10,000 subs, but I kind of hope we do at the same time. So,
hope.
mixed feelings. Let's do it.
It's Noah's turn, huh?
Yes. I've been waiting for this moment all my life.
That you get to pull me off a porch in a cart. What do you dream about?
This is my dream.
What do you dream about?
Go! Oh, the blue! Ow! Ow! My butt is hitting everything on the ground!
Golly. Holy goodness. Is it gonna make it?
I need to pick up some speed here. You'll be fine. Ah. Oh. Made it.
All right, let's head to the porch. You close out because you're the man.
What do I say?
Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. You held up our part of the deal. So go subscribe. Drop a comment below. Peace.
Like that. Good job. Good job, bruh.
Thank you.
My turn at 10,000.
Oh!
My turn at 10,000.